Effervescence. Bubbling up your vocabulary for IELTS. Imagine a glass of champagne, its tiny bubbles dancing upwards in a mesmerizing display. This lively, sparkling phenomenon is the perfect embodiment of our word for today, effervescence. Word type. Effervescence is a noun. It is pronounced as once, meaning effervescence refers to the state of bubbling or foaming as gas escapes from a liquid. In a broader sense, it describes liveliness, enthusiasm, or excitement. Word history. The term effervescence comes from the Latin word effervescere, which means to boil up or foam. It entered the English language in the late 17th century, initially used to describe the bubbling of liquids, particularly in scientific context. Over time, its usage expanded to include figurative meanings related to vivacity and exuberance. Antonyms. Some antonyms for effervescence include dullness, lethargy, apathy, and lifelessness. These words represent the opposite of the bubbly, energetic nature that effervescence embodies. Synonyms. Synonyms for effervescence include buoyancy, vivacity, exuberance, zest, and ebullience. These words capture the lively and spirited essence of effervescence. Examples used in sentences. Let us explore how to use effervescence in various contexts. In a scientific setting, the effervescence of the antacid tablet in water indicated that the chemical reaction was taking place. Describing a person. Her natural effervescence made her the life of every party, drawing people to her vibrant personality. In a review, the effervescence of the prose in this novel brings each character to life, making the reading experience truly delightful. Metaphorical use. The effervescence of the crowd at the music festival was palpable, with energy and excitement filling the air. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing effervescence with efflorescence. While effervescence relates to bubbling or liveliness, efflorescence refers to the process of crystallization or flowering. Another error is using effervescence solely in its literal sense, overlooking its figurative applications to describe enthusiasm or vivacity. Mastering the word effervescence and its various applications will undoubtedly enhance your vocabulary for the IELTS exam. Remember, it is not just about knowing the definition, but also about understanding its nuances and being able to use it effectively in both literal and figurative context. Incorporate this vibrant word into your own language use and watch as it adds a spark of liveliness to your expressions.